and give it a mix. Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook Gamhyang prawns, and here's are the ingredients: 250 grams of prawns, 4 stems of curry leaves, 3 pieces of bird eye chili cut into small pieces, 4 cloves of garlic chopped, 8 pieces of shallot chopped, 1.5 tablespoons of dry prawn, I chop it, 1.5 tablespoons of curry powder, 7 tablespoons of water, half teaspoon of black pepper, half tablespoon of thick soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of garlic oil, quarter teaspoon of sesame seed oil, and about 3 tablespoons of tapioca flour. Let's start by preparing the Gamhyang sauce. Heat the pan, pour in the garlic oil, put in dry prawns, fry dry prawns until fragrant. This will take about 1 minute. Dry prawn has released a nice fragrance. I'm going to switch off the heat and remove it from the pan first. Set aside. Switch on the heat. Put in the garlic. And shallots. Bird eye chili. Fry all these ingredients until fragrant. This will take about 1 minute. Garlic and shallot has released a nice fragrance. Now I'm adding in curry powder, black pepper. Add in a little bit of water, about 1 tablespoon of water. Fry until fragrant. If it's too dry, you can add a little bit more water. Add a bit more water. Just about 2 tablespoons. Give it a stir. Now I'm adding in the sesame seed oil, oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, add in the dry prawns, give it a mix. I'm adding in another 2 tablespoons of water. I will use the curry leaves from 3 stems and just put it in. That's ready, the Gamhyang sauce. I'm going to reduce the heat and give it a taste. Tasty. At this stage, if you want to add on more seasoning, you can do so. However, for this Gamhyang sauce is already delicious, so I'm going to switch off the heat and set it aside. Okay, now the Gamhyang sauce is done. Let's fry the prawns. For the prawns, I have washed and cleaned nicely, and I will cook the prawns together with the shell. So when cooking the prawns together with the shells, right, we need to remove the vein inside the prawns here. So I'm going to use a little stick, like a toothpick that you have in your house. Just poke through the body here at the bottom and then pull it out like this. These are the prawns waste that we don't want. Going to do it one by one. It's like this. If you don't remove this part of the prawns, right, when you eat it, it's like sometimes got sand and all that, so we need to take it out. I'm gonna go ahead and remove all of it. Alright, I have removed all the vein of the prawns and then wash it. Now I'm going to coat the prawns with tapioca flour. This is to reduce the oil splash during the deep frying. Alright, prawns is ready. Now we can go and fry it. In the frying pan, I have preheated the oil for deep fry. So I'm going to put in the prawns piece by piece. Once put in the prawns, don't touch it because we don't want the flour to come out. And deep frying should be very fast because prawns will cook very fast, right? Just about 30 seconds. When the prawns change the color, I'm going to just turn it. Just about 1 minute, prawns is ready. I'm going to take it off from the hot oil and rest it on the strainer. Switch off the heat. So I'm going to put it aside. The gamhyang sauce in the pan, when we set it aside for just a few minutes so it's slightly dry, I'm going to reheat it. So switch on the heat, add in 2 tablespoons of water. Reheat it again. When the gamhyang sauce is getting hot, I'm going to toss in the fried prawns and give it a mix. We still have a balance of the curry leaves, so I'm going to just add it in. Give it a mix and make sure that all the prawns are coated with gamhyang sauce. See? Look at that. It looks so yummy. Alright, that is ready. Gamhyang prawns. Very simple and easy and very delicious. I'm going to switch off the heat, and this is best served immediately. And I'm going to dish out and serve. Gamhyang prawns is best served with rice. Let's eat! With the prawns, with gamhyang sauce, and also the rice. Wow, it's very delicious. The strong fragrance of curry leaves is very inviting. The taste of gamhyang is rich and savory, with the hints of garlic, black pepper, and also dried prawns. The prawns are cooked just perfectly. It is sweet from its freshness, and it blends so well with the savory gamhyang sauce. Have it with rice. It's so delicious. I love it. You have tried the recipe? Do share the outcome in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked dishes like this. Thank you and bye bye.